Here we have a installation, a renovation of a kitchen, and we're going to be running the floor all the way out into this hallway. This ceramic tile is going to have to be picked up and patched accordingly, and where it meets into the kitchen vinyl, we'll have to patch that out. So this is about 450 square feet of this homestead. It's a 22-ounce vinyl Jetcore, and we're going to run it across this way and continue in the kitchen. Again, this is the kitchen renovation. It's all ready to go. So we're going to run the floor going across and into the laundry room, checking out the transitions. So this job will be started shortly. First thing again is the pickup of this here. The ceramic's got the mesh, wire mesh. It's going to be a little bit of a job getting it up, but we'll get it up and then we'll continue. Here's the installation begun. Split this over here, going up the hallway. Continuing up. And eventually through. Quiet while I'm video.
Not only are they good, but they're also music is good. My generation.
So, job continues. And here we have the completed project. Again, about 450 square feet of this beautiful taupe gray beige vinyl plank. The hallway has been picked up with the ceramic tile and patched smooth, and we continued it right through seamlessly right into the newly renovated kitchen. The contractor is going to finish with all new baseboards around, so you see how well this matches with the white cabinets and the gray countertops, running again seamlessly right through into the laundry room. So this completes this project. If you want to see new projects, go to our website at fashion-carpets.com. Go to our video gallery where you can see other videos of other categories of flooring, carpet, vinyl, and so on. And while you're in the YouTube channel, I appreciate it if you would please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And thank you for watching.